So I will start with the business lead approach. The business lead approach is an approach assuming that IS plan should be derived from and closely aligned with the existing business direction and plan, and that IS should be a supportive function that follow the lead of the business. The process of aligning IS with business goal is typically carried out on an annual basis. It involves the analysis of business plan and strategy to determine where information systems are most needed to support business objectives. And the responsibility for this alignment process often fall on the IS director or an IS strategic planning team. They are tasked with interpreting and analyzing business plan and proposing IS implication to senior management. So that's all from me.
Okay, so the technological approach considers that an information system oriented model is a required outcome of strategic information system planning and that analytical modeling methods should be performed. Thus, a formal model is used based on processes, activities, and data flows of the organization. The outcome of a formal method is architecture or blueprints for the information system. And then for the advantage of using technological approach is that it allows IS directors to create a database definition that enables them to build better IT infrastructures. And then it also favors integrated tools and focuses on the infrastructure. And it is a rigorous approach that helps avoid unforeseen mistakes. However, it is very resource and requirements demanding compared to other approaches, and it takes too long for the analysis and implementation stage, and that some managers are not sure of the usefulness of the blueprint generated for the information system. That's all from me. Thank you.
So I continue with the method-driven approach. It is a approach that relies on the use of formal technique and methods to enhance SISP, and it emerged when the IS director believed that formal methods are essential. So it may not always resolve deficiencies in SISP when the business is lack of strong business strategy component or a system from the broader business. And the external consultant often play a significant role in this approach to drive the SISP exercise and influencing recommendation.
Okay, next, administrative approach. This approach focus on the management of IS or IT resource. That means it will focus on efficient and effective management of IT resource and process within the organization. This approach may involve developing policy and procedure for IS or IT governance, managing IS or IT budget, and ensuring that IS or IT investment are made in a cost-effective manner, establishing metrics for measuring the efficiency and effectiveness of IS or IT operations, and managing IS or IT risk and ensuring that IS or IT systems are secure and reliable.
Okay, now I will continue with the last part, which is organizational approach. So, organization approach means that they emphasize the importance of integrating information system planning into the overall organization strategy. So, it focuses on creating organizational culture that support and value information system. So, by this approach, they encourage the continuous collaboration between the business and IT manager. So it means that the approach they are focused on to cooperation for the whole organization to achieve their strategic goal lah. And then they have three characteristics. So the first is IS are successful when aligned with the organizational culture and values. So it means that they must be committed or try to fully utilize the information system to achieve their strategic goal. And then the second characteristic is flexible and adaptable planning process. So organization SISP, they should revisit and update or must be flexible because the business environment is constantly changing. And then continuous collaboration between the business IT. So it means that business manager and IT manager, they need to work together and try to identify and determine the prioritized IT project, make sure the IT project are aligned with organization strategic goal. So benefit by using organization approach is the first benefit, they can improve alignment of IT with business goal. So they can improve decision making, increase their productivity, and also have a competitive advantage. And then they can increase user satisfaction. They can encourage the involvement of they can increase the user satisfaction because they will involve the users in the SISP process. And then the last benefit is they can reduce the project failure. So they can help to identify and mitigate potential project risks. I think that's all for today's discussion.